हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेवीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we discuss about most important concept of Indian economy. Today's topic is relevance of planning under economic reform. The Planning Commission was set up in March 1950 by resolution of the Government of India. The economic of India is based on planning through five-year plan. Five-year plan are developed and executed and mentioned by the Planning Commission. Planning Commission. Prime Minister Prime Minister is chairman of the Planning Commission. Now the Planning Commission being replaced by Niti Aayog. Till date, 12 five-year plan have been launched by the Planning Commission. The final approval to any five-year plan is given by National Development Council. Eight five-year plan introduced in 1992 to 1993. In 1989 to 1991 was a political chore that led the economic instability in India, and hence the five-year plan was implemented. Between 1990 and 92, there was only annual plan. In 1991, India faced a crisis of foreign exchange reserve, left with reserve only about 1 billion US dollar. Thus, under pressure, the country took risk in the reforming the socialist economy. P.V. Narasimha Rao was the 12th Prime Minister of 12th Prime Minister of Republic of India and head of Congress Party, and led to one of the most important administration in India modern history, overseeing a major economic transformation and several incidents affecting national security. At that time, Dr. Manmohan Singh, current Dr. Manmohan Singh launched India Free Market Reform that brought nearly backup nations back from the edge. It was beginning of privatization, liberalization, and globalization in India. Modernization of industry was the major highlight of a plan. Under this plan, the gradual opening of Indian economy was undertaken to correct borrowing deficit and foreign debt. Meanwhile, India became member of World Trade Organization on 1 January 1995. The plan can be termed as the Rao and Manmohan model on economic development. An average annual growth rate of 6.78 against the target of 5.6 was achieved. 9 five-year plan 1997 to 2002. 9 five-year plan India ran through the period from 1997 to 2002 with the main aim of attaining objective likely speedy industrialization, human development, full-scale employment, poverty reduction, and self-reliance of domestic resources. During the ninth plan, the growth rate was 5.35% and percentage point lower than the GDP growth rate 6.5%. 10th five-year plan to 10th five-year plan 2002 to 2007 attained 8% growth domestic growth per year, reduction of poverty by 5% point by 2007, providing gainful and highly qualified economic quality employment at least to a addition to the labor force, reduction in gender gap in literacy and wage rate by at least 50%. 2007 20-point program were introduced, target growth of 8% and growth achieved 7.8%. 11th 5-year plan 2007 to 2012. The 11th plan has been following objectives: accelerated GDP growth from 8% to 10%, 10% reduction dropout rate children from elementary school from 52.2% in 2003 to 2004 to 20% by 2011 and 2012. Reduction dropout of children from elementary schools to 12 5-year plan 2012 to 2017 document that seek to achieve the average economic growth rate of 8.2%, down to 9% envisaged earlier view of triangle global recovery. 12 5-year plan is guided by the policy guidelines and principles to revive the flowing Indian economy, which registered growth rate of merger 5.5% of first quarter of financial year 2012 to 2013. The plan aimed toward to achieving the growth of 4% of agriculture and reduce the poverty of 10% by 2017. The main aim of plan is to achieve the faster, more inclusive and sustainable growth. In next topic, we will discuss about foreign trade in India. Thank you.